If you use Zoom to present, record videos, or lead meetings, this might be the most useful app you install today. With PitchHub's Teleprompter, you can keep your script right under your camera so you can stay on track, look confident, and deliver your message perfectly while your audience, they never see your notes. We built PitchHub directly for Zoom, and now thousands of people use this all the time to present in meetings, webinars, and podcasts, recording videos, especially with Zoom clips, and to keep all of your demos right on track. So here are 3 easy steps to get this app going. Step 1, install and activate the app. You can purchase PitchHub directly from our website or from the Zoom app marketplace. Number 2, you set up your teleprompter. You can do it through a meeting, and you can launch the app right from the marketplace. Once you get to the app marketplace, search for the app for PitchHub, launch it, and then click on this icon to pop out the teleprompter. This is really important. By clicking on this icon, you can then move the teleprompter from the right side of the screen right by the camera. A lot of people miss this step. So once you pop it out and move it into the position right by your camera, you can adjust the scroll speed by clicking on this icon here. You can adjust the text size, text width. It's also easy to adjust the focus area to maintain eye contact for your camera. Step number 3, you can upload or paste your script from the teleprompter by clicking on this button. You can upload your script. Before this new version, we didn't let you save scripts. Now you can save scripts. You can create scripts, you can download them, and also within this release, you can create chapters for seamless navigation throughout your presentation. For your peace of mind, PitchHub is in the process of our SOC 2 compliance certificate to ensure your data security. For more tutorials, visit pitchhub.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or email us at info@pitchhub.com. Now you're ready to present with confidence. Thank you so much for using our service, and thank you so much for watching.